A few years ago, in a quiet coastal town in southern Italy, lived an old fisherman named Enzo. Enzo had spent his entire life by the sea, casting his nets every morning and fixing them every evening. He had a son named Luca, who he loved deeply, but Luca was studying marine biology at a university in Milan, far away from the quiet life of the village. So Enzo lived and worked alone. The townspeople liked Enzo. He was warm-hearted, always had a gentle smile, and never asked for help, even though fishing alone at his age was no easy job. They often visited him and said, "When will Luca come back to help you, Enzo? It's not good for you to be alone." But Enzo would simply smile and say, "Bad luck or good luck? Who knows?" One summer, to everyone's surprise, Luca came back to the village. He had finished his studies and wanted to spend some time with his father by the sea. The villagers were thrilled. "Now your good luck has returned," they said. "Luca is back. Life will be easier now." But Enzo only smiled and replied, "Good luck or bad luck? Who knows?" Not long after, Luca suggested they buy a new motorboat. "Dad, this old wooden boat is falling apart. With a new one, we can catch more fish, faster." They bought the boat, and for a few weeks things were great, until one morning a storm rolled in unexpectedly. The waves were rough, and the new boat drifted from the dock and was lost at sea. The townfolk came to console Enzo and Luca. What a terrible loss. That boat cost a fortune. Such bad luck. But Enzo, calm as ever, simply said, "Bad luck or good luck? Who knows?" A few days later, a local diver discovered the missing boat, stranded in a quiet cove. When it was brought back, the damage was minimal, but even more amazing. Inside the boat was a small wooden crate, filled with rare Mediterranean coral worth thousands of euros. Word spread quickly. What luck! The villagers shouted, "You've lost a boat and gained a treasure." Still, Enzo said quietly, "Good luck or bad luck? Who knows?" Luca used the money to start a sustainable seafood business, catching and selling responsibly. He was excited and wanted to grow fast. But while working late one night, Luca slipped on the dock and broke his ankle. He was out of action for months. Everyone once again shook their heads. Poor Enzo. Poor Luca. Just when things were going well, bad luck strikes again. Enzo, as always, smiled and said, "Bad luck or good luck? Who knows?" Then, something unexpected happened. A few weeks later, the government began a crackdown on illegal overfishing operations along the coast. Boats that had been operating unethically were seized. Had Luca still been working at full speed, his business might have been mistakenly lumped in and shut down too. Because Luca was off his feet, he had filed all the right paperwork and tightened every part of the business. When inspectors came, they not only let him keep operating, they offered him a grant for sustainable fishing education. That day, many people came to Enzo's house and said, "We understand now. That broken ankle saved your son's dream. Your bad luck really was good luck after all." Enzo only smiled. Good luck or bad luck? Who knows?